What's up, everybody? Jammin JD Sports Cards here. Continuing our goal to do more basketball, we have Prizm Mosaic today. Very cool. Excited to break that open. I know some of you hate the purple gloves, but come on. I had to today. Not only is it Prizm, but it's Prizm Mosaic. So we gotta wear the gloves for this. I don't want fingerprints. This is direct from Panini. It'll cost you $100. You're getting 30 cards in each box, so obviously it's a bit pricey. No guaranteed hits, but you do get 9 parallels in each box. The checklist is super short, so you're getting a lot of the top rookies, top players, so that is awesome. These cards are beautiful. You have an opportunity at autographs. They have black and gold as well, numbered to 10 and numbered to 1, I believe. So we'll see what we can get out of this. Little tiny box. When it came in, I was like, what is going on? Itty bitty. Not wasting any packaging material on this one. So there's the 3 packs, 10 cards in each. Here we go, pack number 1. Let's get something good. Look at that. Beautiful card. LaMarcus Aldridge. Those are sweet. Real quick, some of you already know, but I listed the team lots this morning for football collectors. They're for sale on the website. I'll put a little link down below to the direct page to buy those. We listed a little over 100 of them, and over 40 have sold already. So if you're planning on buying, don't wait too long. Otherwise, they're going to sell out. LaMarcus Aldridge, or at least your team's going to be gone. DeMarcus Cousins, dude's balling out now. Golden State needed him to step up, and he definitely did. Mo Bamba, very nice. Good rookie there. Zaire Smith, another nice one. First parallel, we got Kuzma. Sweet. It's going to be 68 of 99. Really nice looking card. Now we got a green Markkanen. I don't believe these are numbered. Nope, not numbered. And then a Lonnie Walker red. Again, I don't think this is numbered, but a really nice looking card. Some rookies, we got Alonzo, very nice. Vince Carter, Vinsanity, and a Kevin Knox rookie. So there you go. Not a bad first pack. Let's see if we can get something better out of the second. Russ, not bad. Josh Jackson. Anthony Davis. Oh, buddy. Got a gold. Josh Jackson. 7 of 10. Very nice. Good stuff. Blake Griffin, green, and LaMarcus Aldridge. Blue, not numbered. CP3. Nice. There's your Luka. Very cool. Awesome. DiVincenzo. And Siakam. Last pack. Got Kawhi on the back. Kristaps on the front. Gallinari. Michael Porter Jr. rookie. Sweet. And a purple John Collins. 28 of 49. Derrick Rose, green. Very cool. And DeMarcus Cousins, blue. Sweet. We got a Colin Sexton rookie. Take that. Marc Gasol, Draymond Green, and Kawhi Leonard with that gigantic hand sticking out there. So there you go, not too bad. Pretty cool stuff, definitely like the cards. If you got an auto out of that, that would be absolutely sick looking. Again, don't forget to check out those team lots if you are a football collector. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next video.